Is it time to buy or sell Ostin Technology Group Company Limited stock? In this video, we will explore Ostin Technology Group Company Limited in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 27th of June, 2025, and we are here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and activate the notification bell to keep up with our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since June 26, 2025, our system has ranked Ostin Technology Group Company Limited as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.21. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock encountered a loss of -36.42%. This amounts to an average decline of -18.21% each day since being designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 199.69% over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 199.69% and 7,799.93%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 9.37%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 199.50% to 2,722.91% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1.05 and $9.87. Our latest daily update for Ostin Technology Group Company Limited includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Ostin Technology Group Company Limited stock price on Friday, moving between 0.28 and 0.46. The Ostin Technology Group Company Limited stock price fell by -36.42% on the last day, Friday, the 27th of June, 2025, from 0.55 to 0.35. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 64.23% from a day low at 0.28 to a day high of 0.46. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, but is still down by -94.71% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 93 billion shares, but on falling prices. This may be an early warning, and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 128 million shares were bought and sold for approximately 44.64 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was 9.40, and the lowest price was 0.28. Currently, the price is 96.28%, or 9.05 below the 52-week high, and 99.93%, or 477.55, below the all-time high on the 28th of April, 2022, when the price reached 477.90. Ostin Technology Group Company Limited, listed on NASDAQ as OST, recently issued a statement regarding its market activity, reflecting heightened interest and potential volatility in its stock. This comes on the heels of OS Therapies, the clinical-stage biotechnology company making significant strides in its development of OST-HER2, an immunotherapy targeting pediatric osteosarcoma. The Food and Drug Administration has provided positive feedback on the regulatory pathway for an accelerated approval, signaling strong potential for future sales and market entrance. Furthermore, OS Therapies has also submitted requests for regenerative medicine designations that could pave the way for expedited market access. In the short term, these developments could invigorate investor interest, potentially driving up the stock price as market sentiment shifts positively. The news reflects innovation and a commitment to addressing critical health challenges, which is attractive to investors looking for growth potential. Looking at the long term, if OS Therapies successfully navigates the regulatory landscape and brings OST-HER2 to market alongside its recent initiatives, such as forming a subsidiary to tackle canine osteosarcoma, there could be substantial revenue streams ahead. This diversification and patent protections until 2040 add layers of security and potential profit, which investors typically reward with higher valuations. Overall, OST's position appears increasingly promising, bolstered by strategic advancements and regulatory progress. Analysts have assigned Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited stock is generating sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance at levels of $5.94 and $5.55. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, June 25, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 96.12%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 73 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 47 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 42 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, this stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band indicates that this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 180 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, reflecting a movement of 64.23%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 358.91%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited, let's first discuss some key fundamental information. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the right moment to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, suggesting that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider taking positions only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited stock a good buy? The Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited stock presents several negative signals. Even though there is a positive trend, we anticipate that Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited will perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock remains negative. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, the 30th of June, we expect Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited to open higher by approximately 1.36 cents and commence trading at 363 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.